Welcome to my channel. Let's crack it. Hello everyone. So this is General Aptitude Gate CSE 2 marks question. This is from CSE Set 2 paper. So in this question they have given a 4 cross 4 array. Each cell of the first 3 rows has either a cross or a number. So the number in cell represents the count of immediate neighboring cells not having a cross. Given the last row has no crosses, the sum of the 4 numbers to be filled in the last row. So here they have given a 4 cross 4 array and each row has either number or cross in them. Each cell in the row has either number or a cross in them. The last row will not have a single cross. They will be filled with numbers. They have asked the sum of the last row. So let us first understand how these numbers are filled. So if you consider the first cell, look at the neighboring cells. How many numbers are present in the neighboring cells? That will be the count of number of numbers will be the value in each cell. So if we consider the first cell, it has only one neighboring number, that is 5. The rest two are filled with crosses. Hence the first cell will have the value 1. Second cell is given as cross. So if you consider the third cell, the check for the neighboring cells. So in neighboring there are totally 5 cells and one of them is filled with cross and the rest of them are filled with numbers. Hence it is given a value of 4. Similarly, the rest of the cells are filled. Now we have to fill the last row. So if you consider the last row, it has 4 cells. So consider cell number 1. Let me mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So consider cell number 1. So if you look at the cell number 1, you can see that the adjacent cells has numbers 3 and this value can be filled with any number and the third cell is filled with x. Hence only 2 numbers are present out of the 3 neighboring cells. Hence the value of the first cell will be 2. Next, second cell. For the second cell, the number of neighbors will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So totally 5 neighbors are present, out of which one of them is filled with cross. Hence the value of second cell will be 4. Next, let us consider third cell. So for the third cell, the neighbors will be similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 neighbors are present, out of which 2 of them are filled with cross and the others can be filled with numbers. Hence the value of third cell will be 1, 2 and 3. Consider the fourth cell. So for the fourth cell, the neighbors will be 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 neighbors are present, out of which one of them is filled with cross or x. Hence the value of cell 4 will be 2. So the final answer will be the sum of 4 numbers to be filled in the last row. That is 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 6, 9 and 11. Hence option A is the answer. So this is the final matrix we get after solving the problem.